Hello guys, today we will learn about vehicle travel time and queue counters, which is the second part of the data collection. In last video we used to collect the data using nodes and data collection points. So in this lecture we will go for the vehicle travel time in order to determine the travel time between 2 points. Suppose if we are going to determine vehicle travel time from 2 points, we have to select the vehicle travel time options and then click on the link point. When we provided 2 points, start and end points, a menu will pop up. You can provide a name, for example travel time 1. So the start section is from link 1 and this is the distance, and the destination section is on link 6. The total distance which is covered by this 2 points is 186. You can change, for example you can provide 150 meters, and we have the option label which is showing in the link. Press OK. This is the start point and this is the end point of the travel time. Now for evaluation purpose we can go to configuration and we will use travel time. Here we have some more options. So aggregation by time of passing, like start section to destination, whichever you want you can choose. Okay, and then whenever you want to see the vehicle travel times which are moving from this link, you have to come to the result list and select vehicle travel time results. Here you can see vehicle travel time result list. We will save the project and run the simulation. Whenever we are running the simulation, we will see that in this link all those vehicles which are going through movement will be considered. The first vehicle is just arriving, and here you can see that the vehicle travel time is started counting. So 6 vehicles just crossed and the travel time was counted for this 6 vehicle is 37 seconds, and the travel distance is 150 meters. So in such a manner we can count travel time measurement in VISSIM. So the queue counters is another parameter for the data collections, and signalized intersections especially we are using these queue counters in order to determine the queue length. So we have to select the queue counters and we have to provide the queue before the signal, and you can see whenever I'm clicking on the links a gray bar is shown up. So for each directions we have provided 4 queue counters, and for the configuration we have to come to the queue counters and we have to click the queue counters, and we have some more options Click on more options. In using node result, we can determine Q. So if you are providing Q counters measures for the purpose of calculating the Q, you can use we have two options, either to provide Q uh, counters, or we can provide node result. So for the beginning and end, we have specified the speed, for example 5 kmph and 10 kmph. Maximum clearance is 20 meter and the maximum length is 500 meters. Consider for adjacent length. So we can the project and run the Q counters. In here we can increase the speed of simulation. So to see the evaluation result, you can come to result list and Q result. In such a manner, we are collecting data for the Q counters. In some cases, you need to collect the data with direct output. Here, for example, if you want the direct output in Excel format or any other format, you can provide the data. For example, copy paste from the data from the VISSIM is one choice, but here another alternative option is provided by direct output. Using direct output, you can calculate for example vehicle travel time data, area measurement, data collection point that we have provided, discharge record we can calculate, lane changes, node data. If for example if you are interested to have node data directly as an output, you can jump to direct output and click the node data, and we have here some options. Start of delay segment from 100 meters, you can change this value and then press OK. Specify where we are saving this output data. For this purpose I'm selecting desktop, VISSIM output, OK, then press OK button. Now if I'm running the simulation, we have to change the save the changes. See, now we have the direct output data here. This is the format. You can open this using Excel or any other format. Now we will click on the open file. We go to browse and we select the file type. Let me go to all files, Signalized intersection, open. Here we have to fix these parameters before importing the. We select this option, then semicolon is the separator, keep it as it is, and now finish. So as you can see here, the node data is provided. This is node evaluation direct output data. The file name is Signalized intersection, and this is the date and time which we collected the data using VISSIM software particularly. So here all other types of data is available. For example, movement, east to west, west to east. Only we have provided one node by name of node number 1. So if we have multiple nodes, then from multiple nodes the data will be collected, and the start time and end time of that particular type of vehicle. And here we have the delay, stop delay, and from which lane to which lane uh, the movement has been done. All such data has been collected. If you want to further analyze, you can, using Excel, you can analyze. Suppose if we are interested to determine the descriptive statistics for the delay of this data, we can use data tools, data analysis. We use to go for descriptive statistics. Input range, we will use as delay. Label in first row is the label, and using column. Output range we can select by a new worksheet, or output range we can select somewhere here. We are interested to have summary statistics and confidence interval, and then press OK. Here you can see that the mean delay is 95 seconds and the standard error is 5. Median, there is no move. Standard deviation is 98, and sample variance, total count is, total number of sample is 387. The minimum is 0 and maximum is 439. So in such a way we can collect data directly from VISSIM, and for further analysis we can import the data to Excel or any other software such as SPSS, and using analysis tools we can provide a significant result. We can describe with a significant result output. So this is all for today. Hope you have enjoyed the lesson. See you next time.